Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to change download location in Chrome browser. Okay, so if you're using Chrome in PC, you can change the download location. If you're using Android phone iPhone, you can follow the same step for change the download location. So here, just first open the Chrome browser and just go to the setting. Tap on this three dot option, click on settings, then your setting will be open. Now you can see on your left side there is an option of Chrome settings, so you can see, so you need to click on this advanced setting, click on this tiny arrow, then it will show the another options called language, download, accessibility settings and all. So we need to go on downloads. In downloads you will see the your existing location of downloads. So if you want to change it, just click on change, then you can set the any download location. If I change with this folder, so I can change it. Okay, and if I change now, after open the folder, if you want to download on this folder, so I have to open this folder. Now just select the folder. Now you can see that this path. Okay, then you can change the or okay, it has been changed. Just come back and you can download your from your Chrome browser. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.